Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to present an innovative solution that addresses one of the biggest challenges in a small cities, the lack of reliable and efficient public transport. My topic is real-time public transport for small cities, a system that brings small mobility to smaller urban areas, making travel easier, faster, and more dependable. Imagine standing at a bus stop in a small city, not knowing when the next bus will arrive. This uncertainty not only wastes time but also discourages the people from using public transport. My presentation today focuses on solving this problem through a real-time public transport for small cities using IoT and smart technologies. Interfacing a GPS model with a conductor ticketing machine to enable a real-time bus tracking and providing commuters with a live arrival and route information. Getting a real-time seat availability from ticketing machine and uploading the same on a web portal. Assessing the real-time seat availability by passengers based on the source and destination. We are solving a unique solution for it. Real-time and reliable updates using MQTT protocol with the FubSub. We are using the MQTT protocol because of the low bandwidth in a small cities and reduces the wasting time for a local commuters. It is also energy and efficient. It is environmentally eco-friendly in a nature. It also the low cost infrastructure and seat availability without sensor. We are not using the high paid or too expensive sensor in it. Next is technical approach. Now let me explain the feasibility and viability of our solution. First, First, we are not retrieving the wheel, instead of we are modifying the existing conductor ticketing machine, which makes our solution both cost effective and practical. It is easy to use, sustainable, and ensuring the quick adoption by conductors and passengers. Since our system is built on MQTT protocol, it is scalable for future IoT needs. That means as the cities grows, we can easily add more buses or routes without major changes. Of course, there are some potential challenges and risks that are network connectivity issues. To overcome this, we are using MQTT with the quality of service. And we are also using the plan to implement the local sync mechanism on the conductor device so that data stored offline and updated once the network is back. Next one is data accuracy for seat and GPS tracking. We will validate a seat entries so they never exceed a bus capacity. For location, we use GPS smoothing and filtering technologies to ensure the higher accuracy. And next one is scalability. Our backend is designed to be modular using PHP and MySQL. This makes it easy to add a new buses or integrate a new features in a future. So overall our solution is feasible, practical and future ready while also addressing the risk with a smart technique choices. Next, let us look at the impact and benefits of our solution. The first, it reduces the waiting time because passenger can see the bus location and estimated time of arrival in a real time. It also prevents the overcrowding since commuters know the seat availability before it boarding. This in turn improves public transport usage when people find buses more reliable. They can more likely to choose them over a private vehicles. Finally, it increases the safety awareness by providing the real-time updates that helps passenger avoid unnecessary delays or unsafe situations. Now talking about the benefits. The biggest advantages is convenience for the passengers. Live updates on both bus location and seat make travel stress free. It is cost effective solution because we are not using the expensive new sensors but rather than leveraging the existing devices. It also economical as it reduces the unnecessary fuel consumption caused by the mismanagement. On the technological front, our solution introduces a smart digital infrastructure in a small cities, which usually lags behind the metros. And finally, it is environmental benefit with the improved public transport. Few people depend on the private vehicles, which means less traffic and reduced emission. So overall, our system creates win-win situation for a passenger, the transport and department and the environment. Next is all of these are references, validated our idea and helped us to shape a solution that is not only innovative but also research backed and practical for small cities. These are from the IEEE and Elsevier papers of titles and links. Thank you.